Alright guys, so what we're going to be doing is simply changing this. Like I said, this is what happens when you have old shocks. So check it out. I'm going to let it go. So let's try that again. Actually, when you open these BMW doors, you shouldn't have to really kill yourself trying to pick it up. And because it is kind of heavy, if let's say you have bags in your hand and everything, and you're trying to do one-handed, it's gonna be heavy to pick it up. So what these cars, what they did is they put those shocks, so once you open this, it should go up by itself. But of course, these are old, so they're broken, they're no good. So let's get right to changing them out. To do is grab a flathead, and then here all you do is just stick it under this and you go ahead and pick it up. So you see there? Now let's go to the bottom one, and you do the same procedure, and now they should be able to come off. Mind you, only do one at a time, do not do both at a time, because then of course this thing's gonna fall on you guys. All right, so these just simply snap right on. There you go. And there you have it. You have a brand new strut on there. Let's go ahead and do the other one. Okay guys, all right, so I know I missed something on the other side, but preferably once you take these off, make sure you go ahead and give them a good little clean here. Okay, now we just go ahead and get our new one. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and try it out. Closes a lot better, a lot smoother. Let's go ahead and open it. There you go. That's how it's supposed to work. Let's do it again. All right, so there you have your strut replacement for your 2007 BMW 328i. I'm assuming they're probably pretty much the same for some of the other BMWs, but I'll leave a link down below where you can get your very own. They're pretty good for the price. If you're gonna get some for the price, it's super cheap, relatively cheap, and it doesn't break the bank. And they're pretty good quality. They feel nice and sturdy. You can see there. All right everyone, so that's all for today's video. Hope you all enjoyed it. If it was helpful in any way to you guys, please leave a like, share, subscribe, and hit that bell button, and stay tuned for more uploads. There's going to be a lot coming for sure. It's going to be a very busy year for me with the channel. So the way you guys can support the channel is by liking and subscribing. That would be a really great help. And thank you all for stopping by. Have a good one.